Welcome to Call Explorer QI installation. First screen shows version number of Call Explorer QI you are installing. Please read through the license agreement and accept it. Please also have a look next screen with some installation notes. Then in next screen select the folder where program files are installed. Next step is to select where data is stored and where backups go. Please use other physical hard disk if possible. In case you are storing voice recordings, you can encrypt them. Call Explorer QI needs database to work. MariaDB is included in installation, or you can use existing MySQL. In case you don't have existing PDF reader, Foxit Reader is provided. You can turn on additional trunk reporting, if needed. Multi-Tenant is for sharing single Call Explorer QI with several companies. By default HTTP port 80 is opened for web server. In less secure networks you might want to use HTTPS port, but you will need certificate for it. If port is already in use, you are warned about it. Leave database settings to default, if using MariaDB provided. If using existing MariaDB or MySQL database, fill in its settings. Root username should always be root. If password is left empty, secret default password is used. Language selection is used for a login screen and by default for users. Next select the country where system is located and telephone operator to be used to calculate price of the calls. You can change the Windows Start menu folder name for the software. Before starting the installation, please double-check settings and go back if needed. Once ready, press Install button to start it. Installation should take about 1 minute or so. If everything went right, you get message installation completed. Keep checkbox Run Wizard selected, and open user manual if needed. And then press Finish to start Setup Wizard for next step in installation. First page just gives some instructions, press Next to proceed. In license page, enter the serial number provided to you. Then enter company name you want the product be licensed to. License will be bind to this computer's unique ID. Some serial numbers can be licensed online, otherwise contact us. Once you have your license key, enter it here. If license is valid, all the fields turns white. In next screen you add telephone systems you want to collect data from. If you have multiple sites, give each one unique name. Then select correct driver for your telephone system. And we also need to select collection method. LAN client is most commonly used. Then press Next to set up the LAN client. Enter IP address or network name of the telephone system. As we are making the connection, we need port number to connect. You can set up reconnection, if there is no data coming for long period. Some telephone systems might require handshake in begin of connection, enter it as hexadecimal numbers. And some telephone systems need heartbeat to keep connection live, also as hexadecimal numbers. Press Next to proceed to alarm settings. You can set up automatic email alarm if there is no data from telephone system for long period. After that you get back to site setup with your added site on list. Add as many sites as needed, and once finished, press Next. To receive emailed alarms and reports, please fill in SMTP server's address. SMTP port should normally be 25, don't change it if not sure. Most SMTP servers require authentication, please fill in username and password. Also secure connection might be required. And you have to fill in valid reply address for the server, it's same as sender address. You can add one or more email addresses to receive alarms. Just enter receiver's email address and press OK. You can test alarms, select receiver from list and press test connection, and you should receive test email. Last screen is summary of settings, please verify that everything is correct. In case you need to change something, press back button until you are in right screen. If everything is fine, press finish to start setup process. Your desktop will have a link to web interface and folder containing Call Explorer QA tools, containing link to Wizard, same one we just finished. Collector is user interface to SMDR data collection service. Carrier price is used to modify call pricing. And links to all the manuals. Thank you for watching.